Okay, welcome back to another lesson. This lesson we're creating the job card so it looks nice like this. Still got to change this to be a better created at or when it was posted. We might change it to like 45 minutes 3 days ago, etc. But we'll do that in the next lesson. Okay, so we come back to Visual Studio Code. I'm going to go components, then create jobpost.js, whatever you want to call it. So maybe we can go RCE enter to get classes quicker. Okay, so as normal, React component from React, and then we want all these from Google's MUI or MUI, whatever you want to call it. So I'll just come into this card here, go show the source, got the ones I wanted, which you copy these ones here. Paste them, and then I got rid of a few, I think, card actions and card content. So we do this and come back to this in a second, or you can copy this now if you wish. And you also import link from React Router DOM because we are going to link this here. When you click on this, it'll go to their page, but I haven't set up just yet. That's the idea of it. We might have a little username user image there as well. Do that later. So come down job post. And just remember, when you have a class name, title, why have I spelled that wrong? So this here is the same as this here. So taking that note, that's what we've done here. We've got all the values, put them in here like so. If you want to get this, come back to here. Let's copy all this so the names are spelled exactly the same. Just post those there and get rid of the ones you don't want. So once that's all done, keep coming down. We're going to have this card here, which is, again, this card here. Classes.card. So we're just going to give these some styling. So spread this out for you, it might be easy to see. This is all in the card content. So typography, it just makes it easy to style. So we use typography when we have text to show and want a different size and styling. So we can just go H5 the size, component link. Remember that's the name we link it, and then we'll link it to this user/username, which we'll set up in a later lesson. Color primary. Remember, you can have primary color, you can put secondary in there, and they'll line up with however you set your scheme up. So that one's a username. If you come back to here, got the username there. So quite simple. We got the same created at, so you can just obviously copy and paste this and then change it appropriately. Variant body 2, text secondary, and job description body 1. So hopefully you understand all this. And also remember, put with styles job posts, like so. This is this here. So we'll style our whole component like that. Okay, so what else can I say? Yeah, so we want to come up here, content, give it a padding, object fit. So this is for the image, so we just want it to cover so it's not squishing the image or dragging it too far out. Just want it to look nice. Give image min width, display flex, margin at the bottom. Okay, so that should be all good. Text decoration none. Because you created a link with this, if we take it away, it's underlined and looks a bit dodgy, so that's why I want to do this to make it look a bit better, like so. That's how you don't want it, sorry, so come back to here. Okay, that should be it for this one. Index.css. Just give me a background color. Looks grey so it doesn't stands out. These cards stand out better on the screen. That was it for this one. Okay, now in home.js. So you come down here and just add job post here. Job post equals job post. And we've got to give it a key as well or we'll get an error. So job post.job ID. And then remember you can go control space, click enter, or just manually type this in. Import job post from components job post. So you go option command S to save everything, and then command shift P. Then we go npm start if you haven't already. Okay, another thing I had problems with is your image might not show up because the token is blocking it because we haven't set up the sign-in method yet. So what you want to do is come into this one where you've loaded your image, click on it, click on access token, click to copy download URL with token. So that's got the token with it. So you open a new file, new window, and that will come up like so. So then you want to come into your Cloud Firestore and then just edit this one and then paste in that with the token so that will come up on the screen. And if you want to go ahead yourself and put the job post default image is one we're showing. No, sorry, we're showing user image URL, which is a bit stupid. We should show the job image, but we'll fix that up later. So yeah, you want to post in with the token so you can see it on the screen. So again, if you can't see on the screen, it's because you don't have the token, and you'll just have to do it manually like that for now till we set up the authentication. So I hope that's all good, and I'll see you in the next lesson.